Have you ever been told you need a colonoscopy for iron deficiency anemia and wondered why? If so, you are in for the right video. Iron deficiency anemia occurs when your body doesn't have enough iron to produce healthy red blood cells. Iron is vital for making hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen in your blood. Without enough iron, you may feel fatigued, weak, or short of breath. But sometimes, the cause of iron deficiency isn't obvious. It's not just about diet or heavy periods. That's when doctors start looking deeper. A colonoscopy is advised for iron deficiency anemia when there's a suspicion of hidden blood loss in the digestive tract. Your colon, or large intestine, can sometimes bleed slowly due to conditions like polyps, colorectal cancer, or inflammatory bowel disease, and this blood loss might not be visible. The American Gastroenterological Association states that patients with iron deficiency have a higher prevalence of gastrointestinal malignancies, including colorectal cancer, compared to asymptomatic individuals. A colonoscopy can help your doctor examine the inside of your colon to identify and treat these hidden causes. A colonoscopy is a simple procedure. It involves using a thin, flexible tube with a camera at the tip to look at the lining of your colon. It might sound intimidating, but it's a safe and among routine test. You'll usually be sedated, so you're comfortable during the procedure. If doctors spot polyps or other abnormalities, they can often treat them right away, which could prevent more serious health issues down the line. A colonoscopy can be life-saving when it comes to uncovering serious conditions like colorectal cancer early. But not everyone with iron deficiency anemia needs one. It depends on factors like age, medical history, and other symptoms. Dietary causes or menstrual blood loss are more common culprits for younger individuals, so you might not need a colonoscopy. A colonoscopy becomes more important for older adults, especially those over 50 or anyone with gastrointestinal symptoms. So, now you know. A colonoscopy is a proactive way to protect your health. For more health tips and insights, like and subscribe to stay updated.